Lexzur is entirely permission-based. Administrators can grant permissions to user groups at the level of each module. Go to the System settings and select User Groups Permissions from the Users and Permissions area. Under the core you can grant permissions at the level of contacts, courts, hearings, dashboards, importing and exporting data, at the level of matters, tasks, and time as well. This includes all type of actions in every module such as adding, editing, viewing, deleting, etc. Similarly, permissions can be granted for the contracts and billing modules. For example, you can restrict users from managing clients' accounts, invoices, and expenses, or running money-related reports. While all these permissions could be granted to accountants. Moreover, Lexzur allows privacy to be set at the level of items. For example, you can set private companies, persons, matters, litigation cases, contracts, or tasks and share them with specific users. Set as private settings can be easily selected while adding a new item or from the privacy section on an items page. This option allows you to share any item with specific users including the creator automatically. Additionally, matters and contracts can be set as private by default. To enable this feature, go to the System Settings, Setup and Configuration, under either Default Values or Contract Default Values. Matter privacy can also be set at the level of the assigned team. This enables users to access all matters assigned to their teams even if they are private. You can also relate the task's privacy to the matter's privacy. Alternatively, user rates could also be hidden from specific groups. Therefore, from the System Values, within the same settings page, you can specify the user groups that are not allowed to view the user rate. Further, you can also have privacy at the level of documents, so you can store your private files in folders within the system and then share those folders with specific users. Last but not least, users could also be blocked from seeing all the time entries and tasks in the system, as well as from viewing the management dashboards, so admins are solely responsible for managing the system. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.